morning, students of class 9. As you know, your first unit test will be conducted in the next week from 16 onwards. You have to look at this book. This is very useful book for you. You got all the question answers, short questions, figures from this book. You can have to purchase these books for your convenience. Now, the first chapter is improvement in food resources. This is the portion of your test. Okay, now see here. Now to review improvement in food resources, you have to know the different points, the agriculture, different agricultural systems, different crops like cereal crops, pulses, oilseed crops, vegetable crops, spices, kharif crop. According to the season, there are two types of crops: kharif crops and rabi crops. Here you know, kharif crops are also called monsoon crops. It starts from June, July, and harvested in the month of September, October. Examples are rice, cotton, bajra, maize, whereas the rabi crop sowing starts in winter season from October to November and harvested in March to April. And they are wheat, barley, gram, peas, leguminous crops, mustard, apple, orange, etc. Agriculture has different branches. Sustainable agriculture, as you know, it is the practice of farming and production of maximum agriculture yield through management of natural resources without disturbing the environment. And to improve our varieties, we have crop variety improvement. That means different species are selected and crossbred to improve their varieties to get high yield, ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन हो, ज़्यादा वैरायटी अच्छे नस्ल की हो फसलें. Next is the crop production improvement. As you know, during 1970s, Green Revolution occurred in India because there is a great shortage of food during this period. Green Revolution is the program launched by our scientists to improve the quality and quantity of food production, crop production. Here we have using different nutrients, micronutrients and macronutrients. Micro means जो फसल को कम मात्रा में लगे और मैक्रो जो फसल में ज़्यादा मात्रा में लगे. Manures and fertilizers. Manures are naturally obtained products from plants and animals, whereas fertilizers are chemicals. So you have to both advantage and disadvantage of fertilizers. And finally, you have to know the difference between manures and fertilizers, different irrigation system, good irrigation systems, furrow irrigation, basin irrigation, sprinkler system. Drip irrigation system is the best method of irrigation where no water loss is there. And you have to use different cropping patterns also to improve our protect and improve our crops. Mixed cropping, that means two or more crops are grown in the same field in different rows and different lines, and different growth habit, maturity. Crop rotation, intercropping in different row patterns, 1:1, 2:1, 1:2, 1:3 ratio. Soybean with maize, millet, bajra with cowpea. These are some of the intercropping methods. And crop rotation. It is also a natural method when after growing some cereals for 1 year, you have to left it for the another season and then grow another crops in the next coming season. It also has many advantages. Naturally, we can improve the quality and quantity of crops. Then crop protection management. You have a proper protection management. Crop को बचाना है. कई तरह के केमिकल मेथड्स हैं, नेचुरल मेथड्स है, क्रॉपिंग मेथड्स, पैटर्न्स, जिससे ये बचेंगे. तो ये सारे फैक्टर्स, स्टोरेज, proper storage, all these are contribute to the improvement of the food.